Hi, this is Diane. Welcome back to my luxury channel where we talk about luxury handbags, designer jewelry, cosmetics, all the things we know and love. I always like to do my bag of the day first, so I'm going to tell you what my bag of the day is, and here it is. It's my Longchamp Robert Indiana Love La Pliage tote. It's a great bag. It's colorful. It's got the Love logo on the front. It's black leather. And I use this bag a lot when I go to my workouts. I take weightlifting classes a few times a week, maybe twice a week. I'd like to go more, but around average twice a week. And it's a great bag to bring. It's light. I could throw it around. I don't have to worry about it. And it's, it's art. So it's kind of cool. Great bag. Because after I'm filming this video, I'm going to go to my class. So it's ready to go. Bag of the day, Longchamp La Pliage Robert Indiana. Collab Love Bag. Let me know what you think. Do anyone have this bag or heard of it? Let me know. It's a great bag. Thank you so much. Here, Brendan. Brendan's going to be taking my bag away. Because he helps me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you, Brendan. Anyway. Okay. Topic of the day. I'll tell you which one to hand me when I'm there. Okay, he's pointing to my bag, so I'm going to just let him hang out, and I will finish what I'm saying. Thank you, Brendan. Okay, so the topic of the day is Speedy P9 that I just purchased. It's a wonderful bag. I have one already. This is my second P9, and I'm going to do this unboxing. It was a decision I had to make pretty quickly to see if I wanted to buy it or not. I'll give you a little bit of a backstory about it before I unbox. I'll try not to drone on and on. I'll try to get to it pretty quickly. But it's good to hear the backstory so you know kind of like how it all went down. So I put my name on a wait list at 57th Street, New York City Flagship Store, Louis Vuitton store. I think I did it about 6 or 7 months ago. I don't know exactly when. I'm figuring 6 to 7. And I kind of, not really forgot about it, but I kind of forgot about it in a way. Because I did see another color, the indigo blue color, in both 25 sizes. I saw an indigo color. I went to the pop-up down in Soho. They had a pop-up of the 130th anniversary of the monogram, and they had a big room of P9s, like maybe 10 or 12 of them. I have a video of that, a video short that I did. I put it in the description so you could see all the different colors. But I fell in love with the indigo blue with the darker leather straps. And I put my name on the wait list for that one. So I'm on the wait list for 2 of them and kind of like forgetting about the other one and this one. And I just recently did. And I was like, you know what, maybe I really want the blue one. So my sales associate, client advisors, whatever you'd like to call the salespeople, they're great. My salesperson in Bloomingdale's said a P9's coming in blue indigo. If you they say leave a deposit, but leave a deposit means pay for the whole thing up front. So she said, it's coming in a week, it's going to be here, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe I will get this one because the other one isn't coming in. I'm on the list a while, and who knows if it's coming in. These bags are funny. You don't know when they're coming in or if they're coming in because they're all made separately, and they're not easy to get. I'm sure you know that. Anyway, fast forward, I paid for the bag. In a week, it didn't come in. Another week, and it was like maybe 2 months. And I paid for it. And they keep saying 1 more week. And I said, listen, honestly, they said I could not return it because I didn't really have it in my possession. But she said that you could get your money back and you'd still be on the wait list as one of the first ones to get one. So I was like, okay, why should they have my money and I don't have the bag? So P.S., fast forward, I got my money back, went back on my credit card, and then literally, like a week later, I get a text from my sales associate at 57th Street Flagship in New York, of course. And she says, I have good news. And I'm like, what's the good news? And I kind of forgot about it, which is kind of like whatever. And she says, your bag is in, the color that you want. And I'm like, what? So I'm like, well, which one is it? Because there was different shades of this color. So she sent it to me. It was the one I wanted. And she says, if you can come in today, I can hold it for you for like till the end of the day. So I went in, I tried it on. I loved it. I love the color. It's beautiful. I actually did a short video of this bag in the store, showing you guys the bag, asking your opinion if you like it or not. And I looked at all your opinions. I weighed all the options, and I was like, you know what? The blue's not coming in. I do love it. Don't get me wrong. But when I went in to see this bag in person in the store, I fell in love with it. And it's okay, I don't have the blue one. I love this one. So I'm gonna unbox it for you right now. Without further ado, it's a pretty big, heavy box, and it's a real unboxing. I bought it, I didn't take it out of the box. It's a real unboxing. So I didn't rebox it or anything like that. All right, here it comes, Brendan. It comes in this big, big, big bag. It's the huge white bag. These come in not the traditional color Louis Vuitton bags. They're the large, like kind of off-white ones. You can see it says Louis Vuitton. It's very heavy. I'm going to put it on the ground. Sorry. And I'm going to take it out. It's a very big box. Brandon, you want to take that? Thanks. Thank you. It's a big box. It's got the bow on it. It's also the tan color. These come in, should I put it back here? Maybe you could see it better. I'll zoom in. And she packaged it beautifully, my SA at 57th Street Flagship. All right, I will unbow it, unbox. I'll pull the bow. It's very easy to take out, take off. All right. You might have seen the color already if you watched my short video, but I'll show it to you up close and personal. Brendan. All right. And which way does it open here? It's a magnet. These used to have these little things in the front, but it's a magnet. The new boxes are magnets, so it's kind of cool. Magnet. Okay. Box. Ugh, okay, it's a little heavy. Okay. And it comes in a beautiful, beautiful dust bag. Beautiful. I'm going to put it down here. A little cumbersome. I'm going to throw the box over there. Sorry for the noise. It went like a thud. And as you can see, the dust bag, let me turn it around. The letters are purple. And guess what? The bag is purple. I will take it out. The strings are purple. So when you have a Speedy P9, the embroidery in the front is the color of the bag. I already have the P9 pink one, dark pink, which I purchased a while back. And I love the bag so much that I use it a lot. And another one, I added to my collection. Here we go. Here it is. The Speedy P9 25 in purple. Purple is the color. It's not amethyst, it's purple. There's an amethyst bag that's different. This one has kind of a muted logo, a little more understated, which I like. My other bag has more white logos on it. This is a little more understated. Spin it again. It's got a tag here, which can be stamped with logos or whatever. And it has handles, has a strap. I'll take it out. Has a pillow. These bags all come with pillows to keep their shape. They say Louis Vuitton on them. There's a pillow. Pillows go on the floor. And it comes with a lock and key. Maybe I'll unlock it right now. Maybe I'll put it on here. So it's got a little a little round thing to put it on, just like my other one. This is similar. I'll take the key out. I'll put this over here. Oh, it comes in a little pouch. Very cute with little keys. Keys and pouch. Put that down here so I don't lose it. We don't want to lose these things. So here is the lock. There. Very cute. I guess you could put it anywhere on the other side, but I chose to put it there. It still has the Louis Vuitton tag on it. Like I said, this is a official unboxing. And it has the tag here where I'm going to put the keys in it. But I won't put it on now to waste time. It goes like here, you know, sort of like that. And then there also is the strap. I'm not going to put the strap together. I'm just going to show you it. Strap. This goes on top so it sits on the shoulder. This is the strap it comes with. Matches the leather on the handle. Putting it down. And then it also comes with, which I absolutely, absolutely love this, dust bag. It comes with a little pouch, which is just so cute. And it has a chain. I mean, I actually use my pink one in other bags, so I will be using this in other bags too. But of course, I'll be using it in this bag. It has a little, zipper on the top. It's a good size. It could fit, lipsticks, lip gloss, money, cards. It could even fit a card case. It's great. It matches the bag. Like that. And I love it. The leather is beautiful. The inside is all leather too. Maybe it's got the tag here. It's got some other little tags here, which says Louis Vuitton calfskin, lambskin leather, like that. If you can see that, whatever. If you can't, that's what it says. And it's a stunning color. Purple bag. The leather is beautiful. It just is. And it's, like I said, it's a little more understated than my pink one with the logos. Maybe you want to see the inside. Let's see if I could even show it. Maybe, Brendan, you got a flashlight? Show the inside. He's going to put the flashlight in here because it's getting a little dark out. Can you see that? It's all leather in there. And then it's got the stamp here. I don't know if you could see that, but it says the Pharrell Williams. The sun is shining on us. Here, let me see if I could go like this. The sun is shining on us. If we could do that. I know Brendan's fingers were in front of the camera, but that's okay. We make mistakes once in a while. All right, can you see that? It's very cool. Very nice. The sun is shining on us. Pharrell. And I'll zip it back up. Oh, I got it stuck in the little label there. It's a beautiful squishy bag. It holds a lot. It's great for travel. It's great for every day when I'm running around the city running errands. It fits a lot. It fits hats, scarves, gloves. It could fit a small umbrella, wallet, card cases, you name it. It's such a great bag. And I'll put it together with my pink bag. You want to hand that to me, Brendan? This is my Pink Agate, whatever, 25. As you could see, they're a lot different. One has a more understated logos and purple, and this is pink with more white logos. I'll hold them up like that. They're just beautiful, both of them. But really, the featured bag today is this one. Brand new. Like I said, I use the pink one so much that, when this was offered to me, I had to buy it. I couldn't pass it up. And they're great bags. I'll be maybe using it when I go on vacation, traveling. And that's the bag. All right. What do you think? Do you like the color? Do you like the style? Do you like the 25? Do you like other sizes of the P9s? I know they have a 20 coming that's out. I said it's coming out, but it's out already. I saw an orange one. I couldn't get that out of my eye, please. No more lights. He's putting the flashlight in my face. Anyway, it's fine. As long as you can see the bag. In the light, not in the light, it's fine. Thank you, Brenda, sorry. Yeah, they make a 20, they make a 25, they make a 30, they make a 40. So there's all different sizes. This size works for me. The 30 is kind of big. It would be more like a real travel bag, but this I could bring traveling and also use in the daytime, running around the city, running errands, doing whatever. One of my favorite bags, because I have two of them, and I'm going to change off different outfits and colors. So let me know what you think. That's my new bag. And also a little housekeeping, upcoming videos, a jewelry haul, 5 things I'm not buying, which I was tagged by Lisa, Luxury Life in the Middle. I'll be doing one of those. I'll also be going to Amsterdam and Paris at the end of the month for a couple of weeks, and I'll be doing some shopping vlogs and running around Paris and Amsterdam and showing what is available there. Hopefully I could find some unique pieces there, because, you know, most of my shopping is in New York City, which does have a lot of the boutiques and department stores with Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and whoever. But over there, they could have different styles, and maybe I'll find a unique piece. We'll see. And I'll be vlogging about that. And also, one more housekeeping item is my shirt, Peace Love Handbags, that I'm in a partnership, sponsorship, collaboration with Tanya from Bling is the New Black. It's our little, like I said, partnership. We're selling them. I put the link below in the description if you'd like to purchase one. More than welcome. They come in all sizes, extra small to 4X, XS to 4X, all shapes and sizes, whatever is good for you, whatever fits you best. And that's it. If you'd like to purchase one, that'd be great. Or they're great for gifts and for the handbag lovers in your life, of course. But I always end with like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I learn from you. You learn from me. I answer every comment. And I really do learn from you. I like your opinions. I like when you give me opinions of colors, of styles, and I do the same. So I really appreciate you guys. And thank you to my viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you all. And as always, as I end my videos, peace, love, and handbags. And you know what? Peace, love, and Speedy P9s. Take care. Bye-bye.